it's Kaale here, and today we have a project. As you can see, we are working on the fuel pump for 94 Acura Integra. Let's get this going. We're doing the fuel pump. You guys ready to see the new project? Teggy! Funny smell. Probably the mold that's on the other seat. There's so much dirt. Like, we're gonna detail all this right now. So, alright, so first startup really for you. Yeah, you're out of gear. You don't need to worry about moving. You're fine. Just start it up. That since it's a little wet and dirty. I've got the Teggy in the garage for the first time. Time to show it some love.
Let's call it. If there's a spider in there, I'm not gonna be okay.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
that is so old. Wow, yeah, no one has at all touched this. That is a big cobweb. So we are gonna go ahead and pop off the fuel line that's pressurized. So we're gonna depressurize that, pop off the return line, and that is ready to go. It's a size 17, and let's see, yep. Lefty Lucy, there you go. You can go that way. Yeah, hold that right, there you go. Keep going. Nice and slow. So we've got all this off. This is off as well, just slid right back. That's disconnected. And now we're gonna take off all these bolts, so this whole thing will just slide right. Looking at OEM, I'm gonna take off this little green bit right here, and then it will unplug. It's whining a lot, so that's why we're replacing it. We also had an issue when we started up the Integra. It would turn on and then immediately shut off once the rev went down. But if I gassed it up, held it on the gas, it would go. And I just hear whining, extreme whining in the back seat. So that led me to believe it was a fuel pump. So we're starting with that, and we're putting this brand new import direct baby, O'Reilly. Alrighty, so we went ahead and slid this off of the bracket. It slides right out and then pulled down, and this came out from there.
Get the clip off.
Right now I'm on the struggle bus trying to figure out how to get this filter off and then onto the new pump. And we'll just plug and play, slide it in, put the clip on. Alrighty, so right now, literally just grabbed a manicure set piece, and I am prying open the locking ring because I can't get it off. Trying to get this off. So I think this is the last piece in order to get the filter off. As soon as we got the locking ring off, there's this little baby thing. That literally just came right off, and now we can, I guess we can just straight apply. Everything's on there. And oh wait. No, we didn't move that back. Look, we didn't move that back. Nice and slanted, yeah. And then that can go in there. Everything is up. Yep, just put it in slanted. Don't fight it. There's a bar, yeah, right there. Nice and easy. Yep. Perfect. And then put it on top of all these little pegs right there. Line it up like that. Sweet, nice job, you did it, yeah. You could plug that in there. We're gonna need the washer for that bit. Yep, plug and play, baby. You got it. Gotta be rough with it. How's it going?
It's going.
And I am busy detailing down. There's a way you could like pop these out, I think. But these definitely look a lot better than they did. That way, because it seats that way.
Which big bolts went to? There was
There's
one big
8.
bolt for this side, right?
There's only 8 bolts, so just give me 4, right? We will be back. Gotta find the bolts. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I know, I do it too. Hello, Taggy. Look at that. It's a whole new car. Pitch black. Wow. Like, what even is that and how? Wow. Really, looks really good. The passenger, I know the first day, got it. This was all black. You shake side to side. Yeah, but I know it's funny because when you're here, because it's probably too shaky, but you can feel it doesn't go all the way. Well, ready to drive? Let's go. Let's see how much we're leaking right now. Oh yeah. This just happened right now too, because this has been sitting and it was fine in the garage.